We have just learned that a group of parents against mandatory masking for students is suing Frederick County schools for the district's mask policy. This comes as another lawsuit in Loudoun County is challenging that district's policy. 7 News on your side's Nick Minogue joins us live from the alert desk with the latest. And Nick, this is becoming quite the legal battle.
That's right, Carl. Now let's start with this Loudoun County lawsuit. As a pretrial is set for tomorrow afternoon in Loudoun County Circuit Court. The lawsuit is 161 pages long, and it defends Governor Glenn Youngkin's executive order on optional masking in school. A lawsuit now backed by Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin and the state's attorney general claims the Loudoun County School Board is defying a lawful directive issued by the governor pursuant to his authority under the Virginia Code and the state constitution. The lawsuit claims the school board is ignoring the rights of Virginia parents to make basic decisions about the health and well-being of their children.
But the executive order itself is based on statutory law that makes parental choice a fundamental right on the health and welfare of your children. It's not just a fundamental right in the Virginia Code; it's a fundamental right pursuant to the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution.
But Kim Crawley, a teacher in Fairfax County and a mother to a Loudoun County student, says masks must stay on to protect kids like her son who are medically complex.
But during the first 6 years of his life, he had numerous chest surgeries. That's left him with a very small right lung and a right lung that doesn't really work as well as it should. It's very scarred. He's very inclined to get sick. When he gets a cold, he gets significantly sicker than everybody else.
The safety of her son is why Crawley joined a separate federal lawsuit challenging the governor's executive order.
And this is in my backyard, and so it's my job to take it on.
Eve Hill is a disability rights lawyer and is one of the attorneys on the case.
This violates the ADA by not having any exceptions for students with disabilities. So the ADA requires state and local governments to reasonably modify their policies whenever necessary to give us a person with a disability an equal opportunity to benefit from the program. Here, education is the program. In order to have an equal benefit, these particular kids need to have their peers be masked. The executive order provides for no exceptions for school districts to allow that to happen. So this will set a precedent one way or the other.
Now, that federal lawsuit was set a precedent for the entire state of Virginia, as opposed to some of the other lawsuits focused on individual school districts. Now, as far as that federal lawsuit goes, I'm told the governor has not been served yet, but we'll be sure to let you know when he is. Live at the alert desk, Nick Minogue, 7 News.
Nick, thank you very much. And as we mentioned, the latest lawsuit aimed at specific district in the area is being filed by a group of parents against the Frederick County School Board. Earlier this week, an Arlington County judge ruled in favor of 7 Northern Virginia school districts who challenged the mandate. 7 News is on your side with everything you need to know on masks, plus the other lawsuits that have been already filed. Our digital team has put together a full list with more information on each of those cases. You can find that on our website right now. Just look for the story at WJLA.com.